subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अरिथमेटिक मीन से रिलेटेड एक और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा जो थोड़ा सा एक लेवल ऊपर है, थोड़ा सा टफ है। तो आइए देखते हैं। सो क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, if 11 AMs are inserted between 28 and 10, then find the number of integral AM. Means the two numbers are given 28 and 10, and you are inserting 11 arithmetic means in between them. Okay, then you have to find how many AMs that arithmetic means are integral, means integers. How many terms are integers, that you have to find it. Okay, so this question is like, you can say this is easy question. If you solve one by one, step by step, this is easy question. Means while you are finding that a1, a2, a3 up to am, then you can easily get it which terms is integral and which is fraction. Okay, but here I'm going to show you some tricks so you can get it easily. You don't have to count all those 11 AMs. You have to count some AMs which are integral. Okay, so see, solution. Let's say whatever we do in all questions from starting. Okay, so if let 28 a1 a2 a3 up to a11 and 10 are in AP. If they are in AP and a1 to a1 a2 a3 and a11 we have inserted between 28 and 10, so there are total 13 terms. Okay, and 13th term is 10, so we can use that formula. So 10 is equals to T13. Okay, so T13 we can write a plus 12 d equals to 10, where d is the common difference. So a already given, that is 28 plus 12d equals to 10. So 12d equals to 10 minus 28, so 12d equals to minus 18, so d equals to minus 18 upon 12, so 6 2 ja 6 3 ja, so d equals to minus 3 by 2. So we have a common difference, d equals to minus 3 by 2. Now from you have a, you have d, you can easily find a1 a2 a3 a4 up to a11, but I'm not going to find all terms because we have to find only integral AMs. So you can see it while we are writing the formula of an equals to a plus n b minus a upon n plus 1. So here this is the d. Okay, but here in your case d has a number in denominator, that is 2. Okay, so if we write a1 equals to a plus d, okay, so definitely a is your integer and d is your integer, that is 28. Okay, and d is some 3 by 2, so this is not a whole number, or we can say this is not an integer. So one thing we can understand from here, if something is multiplier with the d which is an even number, then you can get your am is the integral. Why? Because from denominator that even number easily cancel out. Okay, and we get integer. So we will use this trick. So a1, this is not our concern, this is not our number. a2, this is the even number. Okay, so this is our number. See, 28 minus 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, so this is 25. This is integer. Similarly, A4, this is our number because this is A plus 4D. 2 cancel. A6, A plus 6D. Okay. Similarly, A8, A plus 8D, A10 and A12. So what is A12? But there are only 1 and 11, that is 12. A12 is A11. So there is no A12, so only A10. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 5 numbers which are integral. So only 5 number, that is A2, A4, A6, A8 and A10 are integral. So here without solving all 11 AMs, we can get it this way. Only 5 numbers is integral. Thank you.